This is the orange list. Number 1 is super. This was a super day. It was bright, sunny, and we got a lot done. Number 2 is dinner. Tonight for dinner we will eat pasta. Number 3 is later. If we do recess later, then we'll have to share the playground with the second graders. Number 4 is paper. You should put the paper in the recycling bin when you're finished with it. Number 5 is tiny. The tiny insect took 5 minutes to walk across our classroom floor. Number 6 is rabbits. The rabbit bounced across the field. Number 7 is hello. Make sure you say hello to your grandparents when they come to visit. Number 8 is lesson. If you run down the stairs with your shoes untied, you might learn a valuable lesson. Number 9 is supper. Supper will be served at 5 p.m. Number 10 is tiger. The tiger growled at its prey. Number 11 is busy. I can't come to the play date because I'm too busy. Number 12 is penny. I found a penny on the floor and it brought me good luck. Number 13 is over. During the jump rope game, I will jump over the jump rope. Number 14 is ruler. Use a ruler to make a very straight line. Number 15 is crazy. This weather is so crazy. It was snowing in the spring. Number 16 is summer. During the summer, we spend a lot of time biking outside. Number 17 is diner. We stopped and had breakfast in the new diner. Number 18 is happy. I'm so happy that it's Friday. Number 19 is pretty. The pretty flower was blooming in the crack of the sidewalk. Number 20 is even. I like to make my shoelaces even before I tie them. Number 21 is puppy. The puppy played with its bone. Number 22 is kitten. The kitten played with a ball of string. Number 23 is letter. Grandma sent me a letter. Number 24 is open. I will open the windows to get some fresh air.